Clear Brow, North Dallas, 70th anniversary C8. Full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, the Fusion. This is the film with the 4-year ceramic coating manufactured into the film. So the way it works is the Fusion ceramic in the film is guaranteed for 4 years, as the Fusion ceramic is, and then the PPF itself is guaranteed for its 10 years in writing. The installation by us is guaranteed as long as you're the registered owner of the car. And let's take a little walk around this car and see what we got here. So obviously, just like I like to do, everything gets wrapped in. All the edges, the corners, all this stuff down here. A-pillars coming around all these doors. Everything was literally done on this car. All the stalks, all the little plastic pieces. There was nothing left undone. Anything that can accept PPF, got PPF. We put this silly guy on today, but you don't want any problems because it is a law here in Texas. Emblems removed, placed back over the PPF. All these crazy corners fully wrapped in. There's no areas on the front of this that are left for any rocks to hit. Continuing around this way, all wrapped in, all wrapped in. Everything's done nicely and very well laid. No issues with any of the adhesives. Everything's glossy, crystal clear. All these were removed and placed back in the same orientation all the way down and underneath the car. Wrapping in all these moldings so we don't have any lines. Coming in here, all our doors are wrapped in, our hatches wrapped in. All this plastic was done. All our roof panels all wrapped in. This removed, all done in one piece, all custom. I don't use a kit, so we get everything nice and well done. This headpan here, all this is wrapped inside behind the glass. So we take a lot of time, make sure everything gets done right. All the film gets wrapped in behind these guys. They're held in by 4 clips. We just move them this way and wrap behind it so there's no seam, no dirt lines. Coming around nice and clean all the way around here. All this in the back, fully done. These letters removed and then placed back over. And there it is, that's pretty much it. Just a great wrap. Fusion paint protection film by Xpel. It's the Ultimate Plus Fusion. And there it is, folks. Clear Brow, North Dallas, 23 C8 70th Anniversary Edition. Carbon Flash. Take care. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com.